Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this video I'm going to show you how to break this mirror Rubik's cube and reassemble it in case you don't know how to solve it or it's broken. So let's start. All you need is one knife. Now put the knife into one of the slits like this and rotate it clockwise like this. It'll be a little messy but don't worry. Okay. So now let's keep the pieces aside. Now we have to break these two. Now just rotate it like this. All the pieces will be gone, and all the other pieces will also be gone if you rotate them all as well. Like this. All the pieces are gone. Here in all the pieces we have one unique piece, which is this. This is the middle piece, which will go here, but we'll put it in the last. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I arrange these pieces. So now that the arranging is done, let's start. Okay, so first of all we'll take this piece and we'll start from the thinnest side. So let's get the smallest piece which we have. So this is the smallest piece. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, nice. Now just slide it through this gap where these two perpendicular curved lines are there, like this. It's a little bit hard for the first time, but you'll get used to it easily. Okay, now this one's done. Now we'll arrange this piece which corresponds to this side. Okay, which will be, I guess, this one. Let's see. Let us insert it. Okay, so now it's a little bit bigger. We'll try this one then. Just like this. I'm having a little trouble. Just a minute, guys. Okay, done. Now just all we have to do is just put it like this, upside down. Let's keep all the pieces aside for a moment. Just a minute. Okay. So now we're gonna need to put the corner piece that goes here, which will be this one. So let's put it just like this. Okay, now we'll put the middle piece that goes here, which will be, I guess, this one. Yeah, this one. No, it's a little bit bigger. Let's try smaller. Yeah, this one. Okay. So yeah, it perfectly matches. Now we'll put the bottom middle piece that goes with this side, which will be this, a little bit longer. Right. Now just the corner piece as we did earlier, and then again the middle piece, which will be this one. No, it's a little bit bigger. Yeah, this one, the one which I had chosen earlier. Okay, now the longest side, this one will go here like this. Okay, now the corner piece, that is this one, which will go on the upper side, and this one which will go to the lower side. Okay, now we need to find both the middle pieces, which will be this and this. So first of all the bigger one, like this. Okay, it is a little bit bigger. Sorry, I'm having a little trouble. Right, I need a smaller one. I guess this is the one for this side. Let's see. Okay, right, we're done. Now only one layer is left in which the middle piece is not there. We'll put that in last, so it will be easier for us to attach all the other pieces, because I have seen the other YouTubers have fixed this one in the first place and then all the other pieces, which creates a chaos. So let's start again. This one, we'll start with the corner pieces, and the biggest corner piece will go here like this. The second bigger piece will go here, and then the last piece, which is the smallest piece, will go here. Okay, now we'll start with the bigger middle piece, which will go the biggest. Yes, this one. Then smaller than the biggest, then bigger than the smallest, and then the smallest one, which will go here. Okay, so now all is left is the middle piece, which will go here like this. So our Rubik's Cube is done, and you just need to be careful about this one thing, that the pattern on the stickers of this cube are like parallel lines, but in this middle cube it's horizontal and all the other cubes are vertical, so you have to arrange that. I'll just show you in a minute how to do that. Again, you'll have to remove this top piece, and then you'll have to remove this piece, and then you'll have to just turn it like this. I'll fast forward the easy part. Now we can just hold it tightly, all the other pieces, and then just rotate this middle piece like this. Now all the pieces are arranged, so we'll again fit this piece back in its place like this, and then I've removed the top cover like this, so it's in its form. Now we'll just press it like this, and just you hear a click, and then your cube is done. So your cube is complete now. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my video.